Brought to you by the letter K.
It's your bone, bicky, bicky, bicky bone. It's your bone, bicky, bicky, bicky bone. It's your bone, bicky, bicky. It's your bone, bicky, bicky, bicky bone. It's your bone, bicky, bicky, bicky bone. Hey, bicky, bicky bone. It's your bicky, bicky bone. It's your bone, bone. Oh, you tired now? You tired? Still tired? Yeah, wore out then. If you walk out, if you walk out, come. If you walk out, if you walk out, come. Yeah, I'm tired. If you're tired.
He's tired now.
Get your hand out your mouth.
Go ahead. Oh. They loud in here. Hey, Adeline!
Hey, sis!
Well, we're live.
Hi!
Say hey, Facebook!
Hey, Facebook! Happy 4th of July!
No, I didn't buy any s'mores.
We're having a good time also.
Yes, we are!
Y'all got lost. You don't know how to get back home.
Lord.
Auntie is with us!
Yes.
We have Auntie!
I cooked on the grill and
Oh
everybody's
yeah, we
here.
had some of everything.
What you want to say? We don't need s'mores. He makes
Where
the
we
strawberry
at? We at the house. What you mean where we at?
Duh. You
Cooking
so...
out on some...
Yeah.
Hey, Greg.
Hi, cousin.
Hey y'all.
Everybody's here. We're on my
We miss you
Facebook
guys.
Live. This is my family.
Can't see him.
Oh, okay.
Hi, Mona. Say hi, Mona. Say hi.
Make some noise like you be here doing.
Hey, Auntie. Say hi,
You see yourself?
Say hi, Mimi. Look, you're looking at Mama. Like you're paying attention to your thumb. Thumb.
You got long nails?
Say thumb. Shake thumb.
Lord damn.
It's your thumb. Find out whether we're going to have a little baby boy or a little baby girl.
I'm scared.
Somebody get the phone.
Everybody looking to put some money on it? Everybody
I'll
looking
put
to
money.
have money on
I'll
it?
put money.
For what, boy?
Yeah.
That's a winner.
So what y'all gonna do is cut it right across here.
Where the genitals will be.
They're gonna cut it right across there. Y'all ready?
That's the boy part. That's the boy part. That's the boy part.
You ready, sis?
Open your eyes. Is it a scary movie?
Hey. What happened?
We're gonna make an announcement. Since it's a boy, he's gonna be a junior.
We already know.
Pull it out more so we can see the blue.
That's it.
You see the blue right there?
boy pee at?
You destroyed your baby.
It got marks all in it now.
You know,
Oh, I'm sorry.
I see you having some.
Julian.
Damn, what are you doing?
Oh, come here. I understand. You don't want your cousin at all. He is not feeling her.
And the reason I wanted to be a boy is because the Queretamas gonna continue. Because by being a boy, the Queretamas continue. Girls, finish the Queretamas.
Juju.
Yeah.
Come on. Come on.
You know that, right? Huh?
that's what you gonna do. That's what you gonna do.
Because if there was
She can't hold no drugs. She can't hold no drugs. No drugs.
She can make a choice of picking up the last name of the daddy or keep her name, brother.
We're here in the flood. Let's go look at the flood.
Lord, that pastor out there, that ring is coming on over this way. Woo.
I told you, and I told you, I told her, because she kept saying girl, 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 and I told her, you know,
What happened?
he made me too, because she always wanted to, she didn't want the girl. And
Not
I
today,
told
not this time.
this was supposed to be last time.
No, this time.
But really, everybody wanted a girl. Everybody wanted a girl.
You can have your choice.
Why he look my arm like he down?
Because he was like, don't.
That's right, you the only girl, right?
Why you be looking at me like that?
She probably like, no.
Only girl.
That's right, she's the only girl.
So this is say I grew up with all my brothers.
Say hey, Melissa. Melissa, say hey, Melissa, everybody.
Yay!
So for those who just now watching,
It's a boy. We got a baby.
it's a boy. It's a boy.
It's a boy.
I'm going to the doctor to what? Find out if he's a girl or a boy. I say it's going to be a boy.
You, hey.
You don't have to go to the doctor.
What's the matter? What's the matter, chunk?
He be picking up his face.
Hey, Boogie, baby.
Yeah, you have to like that.
Another hard-head boy.
Hey!
I said, hopefully this is
Chill, baby.
Then I say, I have a feeling it's going to be a girl. Well,
We're gonna eat the cake, or we just gonna let it
I mean, if you want something like that,
All right. Hurricane Mathew, 2016.
yeah.
Is it a boy or a girl?
It's a boy.
2016. Yeah. I would go outside to show y'all the flood waters, but I ain't going out there. I might go out there when we go back by the house later because it was flooding. I need to go check on the cat. The cat wouldn't come to me so I could put her somewhere safe, so there was nothing I can do about that. But at any rate,
Woman.
Joe, stay back.
No, because the horse is still learning how to be fed.
Oh, a nigga just took a picture and it's still recording.
Would you press that
Yeah, I didn't mean to.
It takes pictures too while you're doing it. Come on, Bob.
Hey, back up, kids. Hey,
Look how
Bob.
happy he is.
It's
Hey.
a boy?
Yeah, it's a boy.
He a big boy.
He could jump this fence if he wanted to.
He's not going to because it hurt him.
Hey, Bob.
Let's go play.
Wow.
Okay, see, Andy be scared. He ain't gonna bite nobody. Look at the happiness.
Mm-hmm. He said, "Don't touch me now. Don't touch me."
Too hot for that. I'm already black.
Wow.
You want some more?
Hold this, Daniel.
Okay, he wants some more. You want some more? Oh, I dropped it.
He said, "Why you do that?"
He ain't gonna touch that fence. Here, I got it for you. Here you go.
Oh, he's scared.
He know that fence is electrical.
Yeah. That's all we
That's why
got.
we keep telling y'all to back up, because if you touch the fence,
Bye, Bob. Here you go.
You want something to drink too?
No. Why you all by yourself? You need another horse.
it is another one over there.
I don't know if y'all can see that good, but I went to go, of course, do my usual. It's going down since it's not makeup. I can't wipe it off. No, it doesn't wipe off on me or anything like that. It's not makeup, it's a real bruise. And no matter how good, no matter how good the phlebotomist is, I still bruise. I don't understand. Just don't get it. Got me out here looking like a straight up heroin addict and shit. I mean, that's your thing, but I'm not a heroin addict. The dog's a dumbass. There's bones in the bottom of the box because my mother put him in there. So now he's eating the bones. He's happy now. So he's not concerned about getting the box off his head. So we're gonna wait and see. Anthony, you might want to come see this. Got it off? But you gonna put your head back in there? Because you know how to get it off? Is that what it is? You smart? You am so smart, huh? Yeah? Get out the kitchen. No, don't stop acting up now. There's the light on you. Falling out and stuff. Sit up. You done acting like a poo-poo head? Huh? Huh? Is this what y'all doing this morning? Buster. Fireball. Buster. Buster. Come on, Buster.
Can't get it out, huh? You want to get out? Who you fussing at? This is how I feel my days. Hey, Nana. Julian. What's your Nana spend her day with her boo-boo? Ain't just with her leg with her boo-boo. Yeah, with the boo-boo. Hey, kiddo.
The blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice. The blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice. You found some black ones, some good black ones? Joe found some good black ones.
Did they have seasons?
No. Be careful, Joe, they got thorns.
Where are the good black ones?
You gotta look for the darker the berries. The darker the berries, the darker the blacker the berries, the sweeter the juice.
The little one?
The big black one. See, maybe that one would be good. See that one?
This one?
Yeah, try that one. Try it. Tell me what that one tastes like.
They don't have no berries.
This is why you should be careful.
Huh.
This is exactly why. Ow.
Money, you're the broken one, but I'm the only one who needed saving. Just when you never see the lights, it's hard to know which one of us is caving. Not really sure how to feel about something in the way you move. Makes me feel like I can't live without you. Takes me all the way. I want you to stay. I want you to stay. I want you to stay.
Official forecast from the National Hurricane Center did not have Hurricane Matthew as a Category 2 hurricane until later this weekend. However, moving through the Caribbean, the waters are very warm. It's encountering a favorable environment, so not a huge surprise that it strengthened. It just strengthened very rapidly. Category 2 hurricane right now spinning just south of the Dominican Republic. Winds at 100 miles per hour, moving west at 14 miles per hour toward the central Caribbean. It is expected to become a major hurricane.
Expecting that as the bands move through for those wind gusts to pick up. Are they going to be catastrophic wind gusts? No, we never thought that. They are going to be tropical storm force wind gusts, 40, perhaps 50 miles an hour. That's going to be enough to perhaps bring some power lines down, and the power issue will continue to be with us as far as losing it today.
Well, this is pretty much what St. Augustine, the downtown area, is looking like. Now the beach is in that direction, and in just a couple of hours, this is how much water has completely taken over the downtown area. And it has a heck of a current, and it's moving down quick. Now the big concern here for the people living around here that have not listened to the evacuation order is this wind, this intense wind that you can just feel pushing up against your back. Take a look in that direction and you can see exactly the power of this wind knocking down tree branches and